Chuck. Good afternoon, everyone. Now I'm really spoiled. My big sister made 골뱅이 무침, and look, so beautiful. And I'm going to taste it. So three things. These noodles are mixed. One is pink color rice noodles and white color rice noodles, and soba buckwheat noodles, and it's all mixed with chili pasta, chili powder, sesame oil, and this spring onion. Look, so beautifully decorated. And this is 골뱅이 whelk. It's seafood. It looks it doesn't look so beautiful, but it tastes so good. So I'm going to have the first bite. The moment of truth. Tasting time. Wow. This is so good. Amazing. Actually, I don't think I can make this tasty noodle. My big sister has a totally different level of cooking Korean meal. 골뱅이 무침 with the rice noodles. Amazing. And this is a perfect lunch for me in the hot summer day.